Hi class, today is Mole Day. My name is Susie, and I'm going to teach you all about the mole. Buckle up and let the learning begin. We live in a world full of objects. Consuming is part of our daily lives. The planet is made out of a myriad of elements. But what are the things around us really made out of? Do you know what the smallest particle on Earth is? A, an atom, B, a molecule, or C, a cell? If you guessed atom, you were right. These atoms are so small that they need to be measured using a special unit called the mole. This way, we can measure the molar mass of a substance that on its own would be too small to measure. How many atoms does the mole represent? A, B, or C? C was the correct answer. You are getting too smart. The base SI unit for the molar mass is represented by grams per mole. You can find the molar mass for an element on the periodic table, as well as a molecule, which is a grouping of elements. For example, chlorine has a mass of 35.453 grams per mole. In other words, that is its molar mass. This number can be found on the periodic table of elements. You can also find the mass of a compound. For example, carbon dioxide has a mass of 44.01. In general, to find the total mass of a compound, you must add the mass of each element in that compound. Now, if you're given a certain amount of grams of a substance, there's a special method to find the number of moles. This is called the factor label method. First, you must start by stating the amount in grams of the substance you have. Then, you multiply this by 1 mole over the atomic mass. This will give you the amount of moles. Try a few examples on your own. How many moles are in 4 grams of iron? If you guessed 0.017, you were right. The real question is, how did this whole mole matter start? Well, the mole was created based on an article by Amedeo Avogadro, an Italian physicist, in an obscure French science journal. This article theorized that gases with equal volumes will have an equal number of molecules. He created this theory based on 2 theories, one by Gay-Lussac and one by John Dalton. Dalton's atomic law states that everything is made up of matter, and that atoms cannot be created, destroyed, or divided. Gay-Lussac theorized that volumes of gases react with each other in ratios of small whole numbers. Now you know all about the mole. But before you go, I want to ask you a few more challenging questions. What did the generous mole say when the people crashed his party? The more the merrier. What does Avogadro put in his hot chocolate? Marshmallows. Goodbye, friends, and happy Mole Day!
Created using Powtoon.